Start feeding. Keep feeding. Conveyor running. Line is stable. Sorting complete. Clear to wash.
Pressure normal. The system automatically adjusts pressure for optimal.
Drying complete. Send to shredder.
Shredder online.
The truck to try chill. Output looks good. Second stage running. Steel removed. Steel removed. Wait.
Fiber clear. Granules ready. Size approved. Temperature stable. Perfect grind.
Silo full. Mixing started. Mixing started.
Batch approved. Quality approved. Dispatch ready. Start paving.
Perfect flow.
Compaction complete. Surface approved. Lines perfect. Ready to open. Barrier secure. Signs installed.
Reflectors set. Drainage perfect. Load test passed.
Open for everyone.
Traffic is smooth. Built to last. Drives perfectly. Drainage working perfectly. Tomorrow starts today. Ox. Steel ready for recycling. Otmakey to the twice. Nothing goes to waste. Waste became progress. The journey continues. Production never stops. Every tire has a future. Every road connects lives.
I doubt there's been asphalt and lines.
The cycle continues. The cycle never ends.
Every journey begins with recycling.
Next project ready. The network keeps growing. Everything is connected. Every tire leaves a better path.
Another day begins. The future keeps moving. Another million begins. Every journey continues.
This is only the beginning.
The road goes on. Expansion continues. The future is already moving. Connections never stop. The journey never ends. We're building the next highway. Nothing is wasted. The cycle continues. The future starts today. Built to serve generations.
The road never ends.
Everything is connected.
Tomorrow, we build again. Again. Built for generations. The journey never ends.